Hi folks, Adam at Leighton Vans. Today we're going to show you our brand new Leighton alloy wheels. Now these are exclusive to Leighton Vans, and yeah, have a look at them. How cool do they look? So a little bit about these wheels. We've got them in three colours. We've got gloss black, matte bronze, and we've got black and polish there as well. So a little bit on the specifications of the wheels. They're staggered sets, so they're wider on the rear. The fronts are 8.5J ET45 and the rears are 10J ET38. They're also 860 kilogram of wheel load rating, so they're more than load rated for a T32 4Motion. Now these wheels are exclusive to Leighton Vans, so you can't buy them anywhere else. We can sell them on a van, or we can sell them as sets without tyres, with tyres, all fitted, balanced, ready to fit. They also come with black wheel bolts, spigot rings and everything, full fitting kit there as well. We'd love to know what you guys think about these exclusive Leighton alloys. Feel free to drop us a comment letting us know what you think. If you'd like any more information, the pricing sending over to you, just give us a call, drop us a Facebook message or email us at info@leightonvans.co.uk. Thanks guys.